Hello guys, this is Ashish. Welcome once again, and in this video we'll doing the unboxing and also the review of this cooling pad from Cosmic Byte. So as you can see, this is a Cosmic Byte cooling pad, and I have ordered this from Amazon for around 1500 rupees. So this is a box package, as you can see, quite a big one. So it's have some specifications which is written on the box. uh, so dimension is let me show you guys the dimension of this cooling pad actual dimension. So it's like 426 into 280 into 37 mm. So you have a rough idea how big is this. So it actually have 6 pieces of fan. So yes, and this is a non RGB variant which I have bought. There was another variant which is RGB, so the price was quite on the higher side, that is 2000 rupees. If you are a hardcore gamer and you like the RGB lighting and all, so you can just go for that. The MRP which is written on the box is like 1800 rupees, and this is also a stand. You can use this cooling pad as your laptop stand as well. So that is there. So let me just try to open this box and let me show you guys how it actually looks. This is the cable, I guess. Yes, this is the cable, and as you can see this is a good cable, nice quality cable, and this is USB to USB A cable. And next thing is this cooling pad itself. Let me take it out from the box. So this is the cooling pad. So the build is fully plastic, as you can see. This is quite lightweight and fully built plastic build, and the quality is like fine but not that great. Little bit, I think this looks like a cheap quality plastic is used, but at this price point you are getting this, which is a nice thing. So we have like two USB ports over here. When you insert your this cable in this one, so you can use this USB port like pen drive or another thing. So this will work as a USB hub if you have connected this from the laptop. We have two switch from which we can on or off the fans. So three sets. If you on this, the 3 fan will be on, and from this another 3 will be on. So we have 2 switches over here, and nothing from the control part of thing. If you will buy the RGB model, so you'll get a control panel to control the lights and speed of the fans. So we have these 2 stands over here, so you can just place your laptop and it will fit like this. From the behind you can see the vents. So we have lot of vents over here, and we also have this stand to you can use it like your laptop stand. Which is really nice. Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 laptop. This is 15.6 inch laptop, and you can see how it looks. So it fits perfectly fine on this Cosmic Byte cooling pad. So now this is on, as you can see, and you can see the lighting. We have blue LED which is glowing on. So So 6 of the lights are glowing, which looks really good. It gives a nice feel to the cooling pad. So if you talk about the review, I have already used this cooling pad, and it is very silent and good. You don't feel any type of problem with while using this cooling pad. It also works like a stand, so you can just use it, and it cools your laptop really nice if you play games. So I have played games in this laptop, and it keeps my laptop cool and with a good temperature, so you don't feel any type of problem. For this price point, you can definitely go for that this cooling pad. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed our channel for more this type of updates, just subscribe it right now. If you have any doubt, just mention in the comment section. This is Ashish signing off. Thank you for now. Goodbye.